Bloor Gladstone Library is a Toronto library located on Bloor Street West that was originally built in 1913 and designed by the architects Alfred Chapman and Robert McGiffin. It has since been renovated and expanded once in 1975 and again in 2006. In the renovation of 2006 to 2009, they added a green roof. This makes it the first Toronto library to have a green roof. The Bloor Gladstone Library is a relatively wheelchair-friendly and accessible library. To enter the library, there's a clear path that is gradually ramped towards the entrance. As you enter the library, the ramp to the right permits people to easily access the ground floor learning area. The elevators are spaced out in the library. One is by the entrance to either access the washroom or lower level and to access the second floor. There's also one closer to the learning space that goes up to the second level, closer to the study rooms. Although the entrance from the study room area and main entrance are tight, the space in between the bookshelves is easy to navigate. The Oslo Opera House, located in Oslo, Norway, built by Snohetta, opened in 2008. The Oslo Opera House was built to integrate society with the arts, ballet, opera, and orchestra. Even if people aren't there to see the arts, the sculptural and practical design offers a unique access to the ocean and the views to the city. In terms of accessibility, the Oslo Opera House is pretty accessible, although the ramps going up to the roof are too steep for wheelchairs to go up. This is because they had to make the roofs slope enough to accompany the required balustrades. But there's an elevator that goes up to the top flat areas where you can see the wonderful views of the city and the ocean. There are also flat paths around the building that are wide so many people can walk side by side going both ways. When you enter the Opera House, the washrooms are easily accessible on the first floor and the theater is accessed by a ramp that is a major interior feature. All in all, I believe the Oslo Opera House does a better job making the building accessible because it allows handicapped people to engage it in the same thing as others, whereas the Bloor Gladstone Library, the elevators and placement of the ramps are out of the way and slightly more difficult to navigate.